What is equivalent weight? Equivalent weight, unlike molecular weight, is the proportional mass of chemical entities which combine or displace other chemical entities in a reaction. Mathematically, we can calculate the equivalent weight of any substance by dividing its molecular weight by the valence factor. Valence factor. Clearly, the determination of equivalent weight is only possible by determining the valence factor of the chemical entity. Let's learn about the various methods of determining valence factor for different chemical entities. Equivalent weight of an element. For any given element, the atomic weight substitutes the molecular weight and the valency substitutes the valence factor in the formula. For example, valencies of hydrogen, calcium, and oxygen are 1, 2, and 2 respectively. Hence, their equivalent weights are hydrogen 1 by 1 equal to 1, calcium 40 by 2 equal to 20, and oxygen 16 by 2 equal to 8. Equivalent weight of an acid. The valence factor of an acid is equal to its basicity, which is defined as the number of finishable hydrogen ions in its aqueous solution. For example, basicity of sulfuric acid is equal to 2. Hence, equivalent weight of sulfuric acid is equal to its molecular weight, that is 2 into 1 plus 32 plus 4 into 16, that is 98, divided by its basicity, which is 2, thus giving us its equivalent weight equal to 49. Equivalent weight of a base. The valence factor of a base is equal to its acidity, which is equal to finishable hydroxyl ion OH- in its aqueous solution. For example, acidity of potassium hydroxide KOH is 1, whereas acidity of calcium hydroxide CaOH2 is equal to 2. Hence, equivalent weight of KOH is equal to 39 plus 16 plus 1 divided by 1, which is equal to 56 by 1, that is 56. And similarly, the equivalent weight of CaOH2 is 40 plus 2 into 16 plus 1 divided by 2, which is equal to 74 by 2, that is 37. Equivalent weight of a compound. The valence factor of a compound depends on the manner in which a compound is involved in the chemical reaction. For example, the numbers of electronic charge on cation is sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3 is equal to 1. Therefore, the equivalent weight of NaHCO3 is equal to 23 plus 1 plus 12 plus 3 into 16 divided by 1, which is equal to 84. In case of a compound AB formed by two radicals, say A and B, then we can modify the formula of equivalent weight as molecular weight of radical A divided by number of electronic charge on A plus molecular weight of radical B divided by the number of electronic charge on B, which means that the equivalent weight of AB can be written as equivalent weight of A plus equivalent weight of B. Equivalent weight of an ion. The valence factor of an ion is equal to numbers of electronic charge on the ion. Therefore, we define equivalent weight of an ion as molecular weight of ion divided by number of electronic charge. For example, the numbers of electronic charge on carbonate ion CO32- is equal to 2. Hence, the equivalent weight of carbonate ion is equal to 12 plus 3 into 16 divided by 2, that is equal to 60 by 2, which is 30. Similarly, equivalent weight of aluminium ion Al3 plus is equal to 27 divided by 3, that is 9. Equivalent weight of an oxidizing or reducing agent. In a redox reaction, the valence factor for either an oxidizing or reducing agent is equal to the numbers of electrons transferred from one entity to another. For example, potassium dichromate in acidic medium is a strong oxidizer and it gains 6 electrons during a redox reaction. Therefore, the equivalent weight of potassium dichromate is equal to its molecular mass, which is 294.2 divided by the number of electrons gained, 6, which is equal to 49.
Please like, share and comment on the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. For more interesting and educational videos to earn while you learn, download Extra Class app from Google Play Store and get rewarded for studying.